Hey guys, as always, welcome to the channel. And this is part 2 of the video of that major snowstorm we had. Mostly my dad talking about the devastation and what's down and stuff like that. And yeah, I threw in a little bit of video at SKS, but I'll have to get some more into the future here. Obviously, can't do much footage when we're sitting looking at green grass, but depressing. But they're saying it's going to be colder next week, and we'll see you on that next video.
Some of the cars under snow. Since yesterday, the snow has shrunk in half, so double that was where it was a day ago. Because the snow is so wet, it has shrunk and it melted all night in the last 24 hours. So you can imagine how much snow was here 24 hours ago. It wasn't pretty. In fact, it was quite depressing. Recording again. Here's looking north. There's Dustin's car. Tree down here. Looking here at the river. There's a car under that mound there, which is, like I say, shrunk in half from what it was. The river is at least up 3 feet. Look at all the trees here that have just couldn't stand all the weight of the snow on it. You couldn't even see the trees, they were just mounds of snow. Never believe this time of year to have this kind of snow. Climate change? Yeah, it's here.
Should be good, eh?
Hold up there and then come in here. Oh, no, that's good right there.
Yeah.
I'm hungry, I gotta eat.
Aren't the burgers with you?
Huh?
You got the burgers?
They're here.
Oh, I didn't see them down there. Oh, I didn't see them down there.
That's why I was wanting you to pull over and you go. I'm thinking I could eat a sandwich on the way down.
Oh yeah. Oh, I thought you took them with you.
No. Just hang it out, I put them on the floor. Follow me. Oh, nightmare.
That's a lot of snow. There's gonna be a lot of water.
Well, it's half water. That's the trouble. And if you try and move it,
It's heavy.
It goes into like when I push with the plow, and that truck with the plow has done all of this.
Really?
Yeah. For the first day.
That's impressive.
It is.
Because that truck doesn't look like it's very...
No, but that truck has got a traction like you wouldn't believe. And, well, look at all the snow I pushed at the top of the lane.
Yeah, I know.
And I went steady every 2 hours. Every 2 hours for the first 24 hours. Up and down. And like all these piles are where I pushed it, right?
Amazing.
Because you can only go so far. And then you have to push it. And you can't spin. If you try and spin out, you got to just let each tire has already got a tread. Yeah. And let it grab that tread on the way out.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Especially with the blade, if you get stuck with that, you're stuck. There's nothing to really pull you out.
I could have got the grader out. The tree fell on it.
Oh, a tree fell on the grader?
Yep.
Wrecked it?
No, I got to cut it off before I can move it. One just missed the semi. The trailer, another one just missed the house. Like I'm right in the trees. And they've all got leaves.
Yeah.
If they didn't have leaves, they wouldn't have broke like this.
Yeah. Well, and then because the trees aren't frozen, right? Mm-hmm. Usually they're full of moisture, So now they're taking on all this extra weight, and they're just snapping. Like,
Well, they bend them right to the ground. Like, but see these leaves? Like see that clump of snow up there on those leaves?
Yeah.
Straight ahead. Well, those leaves themselves have all melted off. Those things would have been touching. Well, they did touch the ground. See?
Yeah.
Uh,
Well, we only got like maybe 6 inches, 7 inches. Power never went out.
I'm sure we had 3 feet. It's dropped. This has dropped, probably shrunk in about half.
Yeah.
Because it was a lot of water, and then it melted all night, and then yesterday the trees were already starting to melt off. Hey, Penny. Hey. Oh, it's a good dog.
I guess I'll see if that brand new machine can go through snow then.
Well, you stay on top, because if you ever get bogged down in this stuff.
It's 172 horsepower, so.
Has it got big paddles on it and
Yeah.
everything? Oh, wow, then
It's meant for mountains.
Yeah.
Mountains and backcountry riding. Not really a groom trail machine.
Oh, I'm so thirsty.
You can have this coffee too.
Okay, good, because we have coffee every morning, but I could have started the barbecue, boiled water. But leave it down for me. Right
No,
down.
that's fine.
Penny, good dog. She wants to say hello to you. Oh, call her around.
Oh, okay.
She's just sitting here today.
Penny, come here.
I'm gonna open the door.
Penny, where are you? Penny.
We're driving into the campground area. This was impassable 24 hours ago. I've managed to clear it. There's some of the vehicles that are under snow. Hopefully I'll be able to get them out. The grader, which I could have used, is got a tree on top of it I have to cut off. I don't think it damaged it, but there's the lawnmower. That's Paul and Maggie's area. As you can see, it knocked down all of the trees. I doubt if they'll come back. Here's coming down towards the river. it's trees down everywhere. Luckily the trailer didn't have a tree come on it. Some got close. And here's looking at the river. The river's come up 3 feet since before the storm. And as you can see, there's trees down here. And this is coming around in front of the house. I've got here's the entrance to the house. Look on the roof. We've got still 2.5 feet of snow there, but it's slowly shrinking. Entrance to the house. I cleared the barbecue so I could at least cook if I had to. And here's in towards the south end, and we're looking at Disaster City. Look at all the trees down. I don't know how long it's going to take me to cut them all off, but it's going to be some time, that's for sure. At any rate, I guess we'll do what we got to do. Very good. We'll shut her off for now.